Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie. When most of you are out looking for organizing supplies for your students, most of you tend to look in the school supplies section, right? I don't do that. One of my favorite things to do is look in different sections. There's kitchen, there's bedroom, there's office, all different, where you can find stuff that will really help you organize your child. I want you to think a little out of the box. And one of my favorite out of the box ideas for students are magazine files. Now, this one happens to be clear, but you can get them in different colors, different patterns, if you want to color code everything, if you want them pretty. I tend to like just clear basic ones for most of my kids because I want them to see what's in it more than I want them to see the magazine file. So I use them for all age students, but I actually use them the most for college students. Why? Because college students have a very small space to organize everything they need. Remember, their dorm room has to be their bedroom, their living room, their kitchen, and their homework space. The other thing about them is it really helps the vertical. We're taking a pile that's like this, and we're turning it like this. So for example, you might just have your student put a label over here for whatever subject he wants to keep them in, and he can put his file, his spiral, on a textbook. He can line them up on the top of a hutch in his room, or let's say on the top of his dresser even, and now everything is super organized. He can find what he needs, and when it's time for that class, he can just grab it and go. You want to hear something really funny? I actually have a student who has one of these in college for each of his classes, and instead of actually taking the stuff, he actually takes the whole magazine file and literally puts it in his backpack. Yep. I don't care what they do, as long as they stay organized and as long as they remember what they have. Now, if you like tips and tools like this and you want to learn more, you got to head to our website, orderoochaos.com. But if you want more product suggestions, also, you can head to our other website, which is products.orderoochaos.com. Either way, you can get to the other one, and I promise you, you will find tons of tips and tools to help you and your student get organized and time managed. Hope to see you there.